Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to recharge T-Mobile prepaid online. First, log in to My T-Mobile. Then select Add to Balance in the Autopay Not Enrolled section. Select Manage Autopay. Then select one of the following options. Automatically charge the selected payment method for minimum monthly charges. Now choose to pay the standard monthly charges or include extras for things like downloads or international calls not included in your plan. This will withdraw the total amount every month on the same date that you can choose. With auto refill, you have a set amount between $10 and $150 withdrawn from your bank for your T-Mobile refill. Schedule when your payment is made. Every 30 days, recommended for monthly plan types. Same day every other week. Same day every week. Ensure the dates and amounts due are correct before continuing. Enter payment information. Review the terms and conditions. Then select Accept and Continue. From the home page, select Auto Refill. Select Manage Payment Options. Now select Edit by the current card information. Enter the new card information. Select Continue to save changes. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.